More than a dozen senior government officials, including a vice president and 8 national ministers, watched South Sudan basketball team's losing match against Senegal on Friday. The dignitaries were Vice President Abdelbagi, Minister of Youth and Sports Drive Albino Bol, Minister of Education Awat Deng Achal, Transport Minister Madat Bayer and Health Minister Yolanda Owell Deng. Others were the Minister of Roads and Bridges, Simon Mijak, Minister of Investment U Mathok Dieng, Minister of Environment and Forestry Josephine Napin, and Deng Dao Deng, Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. Prior to the game against Senegal, Abdelbagi and several of the ministers were in the North African nation to attend Japan Africa Investment Conference on Saturday. The event in Tunis is Japan's effort to counter the influence of economic rival China, which has steadily grown its economic imprint on the continent. Meanwhile, South Sudan were humbled by a dogged Senegal in their first game of the Window 4 qualification competition at the Mohamed Mzali Arena, Tunisia. Senior presidential advisor Kool Manyang Juuk and the president of South Sudan Football Association Augustino Majuat Perek were also present to watch the Lions of Teranga reigning it on the South Sudan men. The Bright Stars could not profess their aggressive and intense selves and lost by a 3-point, 69-66, in front of a huge crowd of fans. On Saturday evening of 28 August, they take on the Pharaohs of Egypt, who had just beaten the champions of Africa Tunisia the night before.